Let's go for a walk around Tullamore, shall we? Okay, 10. That's how long they are away from each other. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool things there. So we're starting in the main parking lot. €1 for 1 hour. Well, we got a bit over an hour. So we're just basically here. Just gonna walk down the main city centre, probably over to the churches and stuff. Oh, I can walk this way. I was kind of hoping to go over that bridge, but I don't need. I can go this way. Tullamore Dew. There is a distillery out here. Isn't that just like a lovely spot to have a meal? A few pints. Isn't that just beautiful? What's this? Duty-free bonded. The copper still. Might go on the other side. Studio One hairdressing. The goal post. Anyone from here? Yeah. Any good? Points any good in there? Canton Region's Chinese restaurant. There we go. Tullamore 2. I'm really a fan of it, actually, to be honest with you. Maybe I haven't sampled it well enough, so might need to. So any fans of Tullamore Dew out there? Any good 12 years or 18 years or 21 years or any specific pot stills or anything? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, the shadows are blowing up or darkening up there. Yes. Where's that church gone? Ooh. Aptly named Chapel Street. Yeah, sorry about the harsh light. The sun has actually come out today. But Chapel Street is aptly named because, well, it's where the church is. It's a beautiful church. Stained glass windows. Ooh, no, nobody wants to see that. Throw some details up about the church there. I have no information. So I stopped recording on this street because it's facing directly into the sun. So the Harbour Bar. Is this any good? Looks nice. From the outside, well maintained. Tullamore Dew, I suppose, is going to be one of the populars here. Which one's the best bar in town? What's Fergie's like? Imperial, so there's a casino. Oh, bit of info over here. I think I've done Tullamore once or twice, but I never really got into it. So we are here. Last time we just kind of basically went up and down there. So we've been to there, we're here. So we'll probably come out Church Street and go out that way. Art here. Something here, some sort of art. That looks like the top of a bottle of booze. Bar, lounge, hot food, live music. What's this place like for food and a pint? Huh? Well, yeah, you're coming to Ireland, of course I'm going to be biased with drink.
By yourself, yeah? That's alright. Right, looks like there's two sides. That one side's one is all. Oh, I didn't say the person.
It's a strange shopping mall now, no offense.
So, yeah, what did they have to go to the national submission?
Get across here without dying. I thought it was a pub. Some houses for sale. Looks like a popular spot. Cake store. Looks a few people in there.
You will see one like it's.
Ooh, that's a lovely wedding dress. Credit Union, Chinese takeaway. There seems to be a lot of Asian influence here. Anyone from Tullamore confirm that? I've nothing against the Asians. Lovely people, lovely food. And in fact, I visit Asia a lot. I'd probably eat more Indian if I knew what I was ordering. That's the old Yard station. Oh, I didn't bring my wallet. Those cakes look delicious. Yeah. So we're doing a bit more. Let's not die here. Yeah. Yeah, we have big, huge Dunn stores here. That sounds very busy. Maybe a convention or something on it. It's a very nice hotel.